Morning! So, bit of a midweek fish today. Well, end of the week fish is Friday. But yeah, we've come down. We've got Neal. Say hello, Neal.
Hi.
And we've got Dawn.
Hello.
And I'm here. So, yeah, we've got a few bits out, and we've just been sort of just messing around at the moment. But yeah, we'll see. We've got a bucket full of scrap already. So yeah, we'll show you if anything interesting comes out.
So I thought I'd show you what Neal just pulled out. It's Arthur's knife. There you go. That was a pretty decent knife at one point, but it's clearly snapped off. But yeah, Arthur knife. What you got, babe?
Yeah, just a bit of scrap.
Crud.
Yeah, scrap and crud.
Crud.
Not much. Well, I've got a few bits out because I think Dawn had gone off to look for a bin, so we've got ourselves a track bolt and weird shaped rod rest. I think that's bent. I don't think that's supposed to be there, but yeah, rod rest and whatever this thing is. I think that's out of a mixer or something, out of a blender.
Yeah.
Possible. Got some coins, got 10p, 10p, and 5p, a penny, and there's a rupee there. And my find of the day so far, I'm well happy with this. We've got ourselves a flute knife. That ain't been down there very long at all. I wonder what that is. What does that say?
Combat tactical.
Combat tactical.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Combat
that's
with a K, like Mortal Kombat.
oh yeah, but that's looks quite a nice knife, that. And it's not been in there long because everything's still working.
Yeah,
That's crazy, isn't it?
definitely.
I'll close it in a minute. Ah, the middle button releases that one. Ah, there we go. So yeah, pucker knife, man. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, man, that's my find of the day so far. I'm well happy with that. So yeah, no, we're getting a few bits out. Nothing major, but yeah, got a knife. Doing well here. And it's just starting to rain a little bit, so I don't know how long we're going to be sitting here. Might have to play trolls under the bridge. We've got to make a video.
What you got, Neal?
Bent, decrepit old fence post.
It's a bit bent, that, isn't it?
It's very camp, isn't it?
It's very nice.
That's my bum note.
Oh,
Tool.
yay! What's Dave got? Did they work?
Yep.
Woohoo!
Yay! Tool!
Long nose pliers.
Yep. Nice one. And a tool.
Simply the best.
What you got?
Tag in it.
Yeah, it's got.
There's some writing on there.
Yeah, we'll need to clean that up.
Hey man.
I can see that there's a number and some writing, but I can't tell what the writing is.
And I think I only got it because that in bit, because that bit's not magnetic.
Yeah, so it was literally that little ring that's left. That's how you got it.
Yeah. Nice. A bit of scrap.
Cool. The bar.
A doopy.
Got a 2p.
Black one now. Ah.
Yay.
You got a penny, you got a penny, you got a
Penny, 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 penny.
I ain't got it off yet.
He's fighting hard enough to get the other thing off. Ta-da! That's Neal found. Ooh,
Ooh.
Oh, he's got his handle as well.
nice.
No way.
Awesome.
I've found many boat hooks, but never one with a handle.
Look at that, guys.
Oh man, that is a tasty find. Oh, well done, mate.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
We can hook stuff out now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh
Awesome.
man, that's a
Brilliant.
good find. Well done, mate. Oh.
So Dave decided to have a go. So we're supposed to be fishing here, but Dave's decided to fish there.
Water.
It really?
I don't think there's much in there. Right, I don't think that's going to work. Now I've got a hairy magnet.
Oh, suits you, sir.
Try this bit. That didn't work. Oh, stop standing on it. Yay!
I mean, seriously, it barely covers the magnet.
You can still see the magnet. Yeah, I don't think there's much in there.
Babe,
Yeah.
give it up.
I don't think there's much in that bit. Okay. Look, metal fishing lure.
Ah, cool.
Ding.
Isn't it? It's tiny, but it's a ding ding. Ding ding. It's blue.
Dabba-dee, dabba-da.
Dabba dee dabba die. Look at that for a nail.
That's chunky.
Yeah, isn't it? Man.
Got myself a little fishy.
Oh, yeah.
Kiss, kiss.
Ew. Legionnaires' disease.
Couple of bits of galvanised sheet metal. Bit of scrap. This weird thing here, it's got like springs on it. It's got a bit of wood there. Bit of a handle just there. I reckon that this is part of an old car seat. That's what I reckon it is. But if you know, let us know. And then we got a big old shovel. So yeah, you snap its handle. Sorted. It don't work very well. Oops. Oh well. But yeah, stuff coming out.
You broke it.
I broke it. Oops. So yeah, well, come and have a look at it. It's a big old scrap pile. So we've got all that out.
We come along and tidy up the environment a bit.
And then if you go and have a look around there, see what you've got.
Yeah,
Go and have a look in that quick bucket over
got
there.
a bit of that sticking up. No, you're not there, don't worry.
There you go.
So yeah, got a load of scrap in there. It's all coming out.
Dave's on something.
Just pulled it from over there.
No way!
Oh my god! No way! That's a gun, man. That is a gun. Oh! Wow! Oh my word! Why is there rope stuff here? That's not original rope there. Wow. That is cool. That is really, really cool. The question is, do I need to call them in? Because that's an old gun. Wow. I think I'll be calling the authorities. Wow, I can't believe I've got that. That's amazing. That is amazing.
It's a rifle, isn't it?
It is a rifle, yeah. A really interesting afternoon. Thank you, Neil, for coming up with this location.
No problem.
You've now got us calling the police. Well done. So we've had a combat tactical flick knife. I'm pretty sure that's quite an expensive knife, so I'm going to check that out when I get home. And we've got a boat hook. Neil got a boat hook with a handle. It's quite rare to find it with a handle. So yeah, it's a nice little find. And we found this. So we're now calling the police because I don't want to get told off for transporting it. I'm hoping it's a keeper. It's old, it's been in there a while. It's pretty ropey, but we've called them just to make sure, so they're on their way.
Alright.
How you doing? Found a little something special. Yeah. But this is what we found. We know it's a Lee Enfield bolt action and it's missing the stock. The barrel's totally full up.
So the police are here. There's the car. And they are stood just over there talking to Dave and Neal.
It's a case of getting it checked. I know a friend of mine who had one of these out in the past, handed it over to the police, and then they got it back so they can clean it up and everything. It's not fileable or anything, but I didn't want to get told off for taking it home.
No, well, essentially it's a firearm, so yeah, if you haven't got a licence you couldn't take it, so yeah, you've done the right thing. And I'm surprised you found it, to be fair, because magnet fishers are always along here, so surprised it hasn't been dragged up already.
Obviously they ain't got one as strong as us.
Well, quite, yeah. You've had everything out of it.
To be honest, as black as it is, that was very deep in the sill. My magnet's very powerful.
Right, well, my colleague will take some details in, and then we'll, what we'll do is we'll get it back. It'll have to go off, probably get sent off for forensics and things to make sure that it's not been previously used in any issues. Yeah, and then we'll go from there.
Nice one, that.
I really want to take it home. I want to know it's not fireable.
Yeah, well that's the thing, yeah. You'd have to get it decommissioned and things if it's not already decommissioned. So it will go through, because clearly if it's been stolen from a burglary or something like that and then they've dumped it, so potentially you have to go back to yeah, I should imagine so.
And so there you go, they've taken it away.
Bye bye, Lee Enfield. I hope I see you again.
Too much time.
Oh no.
They've said
Right.
that they're going to try and make it safe.
So that's it then. I've done the right thing. I called them in and they're going to write on their little note that I would like it back if it's decommissioned. So hopefully I'll hear something in the next couple of months. This video will be out in the next couple of weeks. So you're not going to get an update until I know. So yeah, now that's gone. We can get all picked up, cleared up and get home again. Cheers, Neil.
No
It
problem.
was your idea to come here. We've had a couple of good finds, so I really appreciate that. It was a nice little location. Not so good on the weather though, it was a bit, yeah, but it turned out alright.
Alright now?
It's not raining now.
No.
Okay, cool. Well, it's goodbye from him.
Goodbye. And goodbye from him.
Goodbye. Goodbye from Dawn.
Bye!
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next adventure. If you enjoyed watching this video, check out these other videos and click down here to subscribe. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up. It helps us on our journey to bring you great content. Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.